Good morning. So we're just happy to show our knockout, red knockout roses. So they bloom, daming blooms, and orange. Yan, red, orange, ganda. Meron pa dito. Okay. And these are our tulips, lilies. Okay. That's it for now. Ay, hindi pala. Ito ang aking mga, what you call this, sunflowers and tomatoes. And the clematis. Hindi ko pa nahahanapan ng lugar. And the other lilies. And the roses, rose cuttings. Dami ng leaves. Yung iba wala pa. Ito meron na rin. Okay. Got to work first. Good morning. It is another morning. And look at what the chipmunk did. Yesterday morning, I said that the orange roses have started to bloom. And look at that. He had a taste again. The same thing happened when the knockout roses started blooming. And he took one rose. And now took another. This is from this stalk there that cut one. Ay, talaga naman. And the blue are lilies. Ito medyo malaki na. Hopefully mag-bloom siya. Yan. And I just want to show our delphinium. Dito ako dadaan. Para hindi ko ma-disturb yung bird. Ito, but this one, another garden bed that my husband widened. And he planted the other 4 hostas, the Big Daddy from Costco. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 there. So we started mulching it yesterday, but it was so hot. So we weren't able to finish, and it's just so hard to finish in a day. And just wanted to show the hosta, the other hosta that I planted. So yan, Big Daddy then. And this one is just too beautiful. So wala nang butas yung mga bagong leaves. Then naglagay na ako ng anti-slug. But maybe I'll replenish. Tingnan ko kung ano ang schedule. And the rose, may parang kagat na. And then yung I don't know if the bird is there. Wala yata siya. And I just want to show our delphinium. It has bloomed. They have bloomed. Wala na ang mga peonies. Fizzling out na. And Shasta daisy pala. They have recovered. And they have buds. Ayan. Buds. And the delphiniums. Ang ganda. There. Blue. Blue na blue. Hopefully, mabuhay sila. Sana return sila next year. And this little catmint. Itong mga hopefully they recover this, what do you call, Russian sage. Yan. And, so yan. That's from afar. It's a little bit cold, but it's sunny. So our catmint, nepeta. I don't know if it's catmint, but it's nepeta. Anyway, that is that's the nest. You see it? There. Wala yung Nami ngayon. So, ito. Meron na siyang buds. Getting ready to bloom. Natatakpan yung there's a lily at the back. Ito ready na. Getting ready to bloom. Our rose. Ganda. Little Veronica. Coneflower. The, what do you call this? Salvia. Fizzling out na ulit. Konti na lang ang mulch namin. So, hopefully, matapos na yan before June. Oh, there's a cardinal! The front. Parang nasusunog yung aking hopscotch euchera. Sa init. Ang init kasi kahapon. Hopefully, okay lang siya. And I wouldn't need to what do you call that? To move it. But ito nasusunog. Yung peach berry ice. Dapat ito talaga sa shade lang sila. And ito ang daming butas. Our Costco, what do you call this? Costco rose, but there are new leaves on top. And this one is a yellow rose, true bloom. Baba pero merong blooms. And our hibiscus. Meron na siyang tubo. New leaves. And our true passion. That's a true passion. True passion, true bloom rose. And this one is the pink. The only one. Ay, hindi. Meron pa palang nag-survive doon. There's a bud. Okay. Just showing. Oh, ang ganda talaga ng bulaklak na to. I don't know what this plant is. Baka kailangan ko i-move yung mga euchera ko. Here, the back. Hopefully they will be okay. So, ito bleeding heart. Did not bloom. And paalis na siya. Because it's getting warm. It's getting hot. Trying to look at kung nag-ano na yung aking, wala pa. The, what do you call this? The peach gladioli that I planted. It was here. Wala pa. Hasn't sprouted yet. Naku, nag-green na yata ito. I need to water. This is the Russian sage that was left. The only one left. So, ang ganda ng tsura niya. Yung iba na shock. Transplant shock. This one is the other rose from Walmart. May bud na siya. It's supposed to be red. So we have the arrow blooms, the white, and this is yellow. I think yellow. Matangkad siya. Ito ay red. Naiiwan. And our yellow rose, umaano siya talaga, nagwa-widen. It's an open rose. And this other one, ayan, starting to bloom, the yellow one, another yellow rose. So sadly, our pink peonies did not bloom this year. I think the buds got hit by the frost. We had 3 freeze warnings in May, or was that April? Ayan. And this rose, I don't know what's happening to this rose. Mukhang ang daming sakit. Natin ganda-ganda niya. And my dahlia. That's the dahlia. And this one is really beautiful. Our Monrovia Palace, Palace Coral Bells? Coral Palace Bells. And this is our Fragrant Dream yata itong hosta. Meron na siyang bloom stock. Very nice. There. And ours, also our daylilies, may buds na. And this, another garden bed that my husband widened. So, ako, ang daming what do you call this? Weeds. Kailangan alisin. But, the hostas are doing great. So, I need to spray anti-deer, anti-rabbit around it, on it, para makasurvive sila. And do some weeding also. So that's it. Oh, wait, hold on. Meron pa. Hibiscus, white hibiscus is growing. No buds yet. And our fern recovering. And this one is another hibiscus, Rose of Sharon yata, the pink chiffon, the baby I transferred from the side garden. And we have blanket flowers. Yan ang mga pinakauna. I started that from seed. Pero kinokontrol ko siya kasi madami siyang babies na pinapanganak. Ayan, I think this one is another one. You'll see. Lipat ko na lang. And this one, I think kailangan daw i-deadhead or putulan. But maybe next time na lang. Titingnan ko na lang. So, mukha siyang, yan, hindi sila pantay. And there are foxglove, umabot na sa taas. But I will leave those flowers para mag-seed again. And magkaroon kami ng baby foxgloves. And this salvia, hindi siya lumalaki. Maybe hindi naaarawan. And I planted 2 gladioli here. Wala pang nangyayari. And this is our dahlia. Nilagyan ko ng cage. And tapos na mag-bloom ang aming lupin. But I'm just so happy. My peach gladioli already sprouted. So yan. Tigisa sila. So dapat meron na rin yung mga iba, but that's the only 2 that sprouted so far. Okay. And Siberian iris, tapos na. Just another look at our roses, the knockout. And this one, what do you call this? Shasta daisies. Yan. Dami ng buds. And this one is, what do you call that? The yellow one. I forgot the name. Anyway, yan. I forgot tick seed. Another name for tick seed. And there's small lavenders. Ayan na yung mga malapit na yata matapos. This dianthus, red dianthus, and the pink one, purple one. And there are other dahlia. Okay, and my sunflowers are growing. Tomatoes, 5. And this one. Update on the roses. I think I did just an update yesterday. I'm just so happy meron silang blooms. I need to cheer up. And clematis. Okay. So that is what the garden looks like. So last Wednesday I had a dental appointment and I had to return something in Walmart. So I went there, look at the plant section, and I got some begonia to plant around. So this is $337 for 4 plants. So I really love begonia too, and red flowers. And also I found some clearance dahlias. So they were what do you call this? Corms or oops. So I'm planning to plant this today. Yesterday I wanted to plant also, but it was so hot already. So this one is the red dahlia because we lost our red dahlia. It rotted in the basement. So this one is supposed to be $588 and soon clearance at $450. But I was surprised when I what do you call scanned it at the register to pay. It was only $1. So I went back and got one more. So I wanted to get some more, but there were not none. Just these 2 that were viable. So I looked inside and there's already sprouts. I checked it. So there's sprouts. I need to plant them already. I wanted to get some other color, but everything else there were already dried up. So that's the 2 dahlias. So there are 2 bulbs in one bag. So I got 4 bulbs for $2 or 50 cents each. So I need to plant them. They're full sun. So one I will put there in the middle of the garden, 2 near the peonies, and 1 I need to think where to put. Okay. So big red dahlia. It is full sun, spacing 12 to 16 inches, depth 3 to 5 inches. And I don't know what size is that, number 1. There. Okay, so hopefully bloom na siya agad. And so I need to plant it. Okay. So I will open these bags to further see what the bulbs look like. And then plant them while it's still not very hot. Okay. So this is one. Oops. So here, this one. Okay. Oh, madami pala sila. This is one corm. Ah. So this is one that has sprouts. This, and this is the other one. So both have sprouts. Okay. So, need to plant them. Oh, pwede pa nga ito mahiwalay, I think. So, three. We got three. 1, 2, 3, the bigger one. Okay, so I'll plant that. And then, oops, this is one. So I have three there. Three. And then let's open the other one. Oops. So this one. Oops. Oh, see? Have lots of, what do you call it? There, sprouts. So, ano to? This is just one. Oh, I think it's just one. Ko siya pwedeng hiwalayin. One big one. So, I'll plant this like that. Pataas. And, wala na yata yung isa. Oh, there. And this is the other one. Smaller. Oops. You see there, smaller one. But this one is bigger. At least I have another one. Okay. So, 2. I guess I have 5. Wala na yan. Okay. So, I can plant. I just need to see or find a place where I can plant it. Okay. Yay. Okay, so I already planted the, what do you call that? The dahlia. So the biggest one I planted here. And then the smaller one here. I think I still need to put some more soil. I think, no? Put some more soil over there. Because they are just sprouts. I think. I'll put some more soil. Garden soil over it. Okay, and so there are 2. And then the other one I put here. Hopefully may sun siya hanggang hapon. If not, I can just always transfer it. Palakihin muna. So the other one here, one I put in a pot, but I will show it later. The other one I put there in front of our garden. So in the middle, front middle. So we'll have flowers there. Hopefully, magiging maganda siya. So I just need to always go there and water and take care of it. So I put it here. Yan siya. That one. That's the dahlia. I think I need to put some more soil. And this is we call that Japanese maple that I planted before. Okay, that's it. Yes, I'll put some soil over it, a little bit more. Okay, and then I'll show the one that I put in a pot first because it's small and I want to think where I can plant it. So palakihin ko muna siya sa pot. Okay. So here is the pot where I planted the other dahlia. Okay, so I will just put some soil over the ones that I planted, a little garden soil, and then I will plant my begonias. Okay. So here, one begonia I planted here, and then the 7 there. Hopefully they will grow a little bit bigger or color here. Then I will mulch. So 7. And this is a shade area. So they look good, right? So and I will put mulch now so it will look better. And the dahlia is there. Okay, just that one. Planting makes me feel a little bit better. I'm a little bit down right now. Okay, I love it. So here are my 7 begonias. We already put mulch, but we'll add some more tomorrow. They say it's better to have 2 to 3 inches of mulch. So we'll put some more. I just surrounded the begonia so that the water in the soil will not evaporate so quickly. And now it is cloudy, so hopefully it will rain a little bit. Tapos doon yung aking dahlia, the red dahlia. Walang nakatanim. There are no plants on the other side. So just this side so we can see it from our sunroom. Okay. Later I need to spray anti-deer on those hostas around that tree. Okay. Cloudy day.